This is a Humphrey Homes masterclass on top of the preeminent hill in Swanbourne.
Chris, the view is unbelievable. Straight across Melon Hill, Allen Park, over to Rottnest. You just can't get better than this in Swanbourne. You just feel like you're almost on the water. Some of the features in this home I have never seen before, like the off-form concrete wall, all done in one pour, and the concrete freeform staircase, which is like a sculpture in itself.
I mean, for me, that Swiss glass window that is at least half a tonne moves at the touch of one finger. Incredible. The external aluminium sculptured powder-coated surface is completely unique. It's like a piece of art. The level of detail here is just extraordinary.
The most important thing to remember is you only have 2 weeks to get your act together and buy this home.
Tuesday, the 14th of September at 5 p.m. is when you know that you have bought one of the most beautiful residences ever built in the western suburbs. Whether it's your beautiful new home or a piece of rare artwork, it's all over to you.